welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to share something about those persons who have been working hard in order to get fluency. They have been trying in order to improve his or her communication skill. They are on the way of learning. But now they feel like giving up because they have been practicing for more than 8 months or 1 year. So, in spite of putting many efforts, when they are not able to see any changes, so now on the midway they want to quit his or her journey. So what do you think about that? Those persons who have started their journey and now on the midway they are thinking to quit. They are not able to see any improvement because of this fear. They are not able to see any improvement. So in my opinion, you already know that nobody is perfect in this world. Every person makes mistake, or every person has their own ability to get fluency or become a fluent speaker. However, there are some person who may be good speaker in just 8 months or in just 1 year. But we should not compare to those person to ourselves. You know that every person has some talent, and we should work consistently, regularly. Otherwise, we will not only get anything in your life, not only in English but also in a different sector of life. You will get failure and failure. You will get nothing. So you know that whenever you try our best, so in order to achieve those things, we should put extra effort. Otherwise, nothing will be happen. We should wait for that moment. So we should not compare our life to other person. Instead of that, if you think that we are on the way of learning, even we have spent the 8 months or the one year, so it doesn't mean that you have wasted your 1 year or 8 months. If you think this type, so I believe that you are wrong, because you know that in the past, that means earlier 1 year ago, you were in a zero position. That means 0%. Now you have started speaking. Now I believe that if you are not able to see any improvements, but I believe that you, because of your starting, now you are at the same positions where the 0% has increased into a 10%, even 20% as well. So you cannot say that right now I am at the same position. It doesn't mean. If you are telling this, so I believe you are wrong. You already heard the story of tortoise and rabbit. You know that rabbit was quite fast, but on the midway he slept and unfortunately basically he lost the race. So tortoise was consistency slow, but he was working continuously. That's why he won the race. So we should move consistently, slowly, not so much fast. If you have a capability to move fast, you can do it. There is no any doubt. Okay, so I hope it is clear that regularity and consistency is that are the too much importance, not only in English field but also in a different field of the life. And now you are thinking to giving up, so that should not be a good option, because you are on the way of learning. We are also on, and we are also on the way of learning. If we think that I am not getting any kind of changes, so it shouldn't be good, because you already know that the path you have already covered it. When you stop your journey, so you need to spend the same times once you start the same journey in your near future. You know, so once you stop and once you feel like starting your journey again, so you can never get it. I hope you got it, my point. So that's why if you are practicing continuously on a regular basis, so you should do it continuously. Okay, and one more thing, that we should practice daily. You know that if you just practice 2 hours, even 3 hours in a day, and tomorrow you are not practicing, and then day after tomorrow you are practicing, that means consistency. You are not a consistent person. That means you are thinking that I am spending the 2 hours in today, and tomorrow I am not spending. So in this way you will never become a good speaker. So just like, let's suppose if you want to eat food, so definitely we will eat food today as well, tomorrow as well, then day after tomorrow, as per our requirement. And if you take all the food in a one time, so what will happen? You will get the side effect of that food. You may get ill, it may cause pain in your stomach, so that's lots of the side effect you can face it. So similarly, as per our requirement, we should grab those knowledge and we should try to speak it. Okay, we should try to grab it, otherwise nothing will be happen, all the things will be mixed up. And rather than focusing to grab all the opportunity, if you focus only one opportunity, so it would be quite better, you already know. So I hope that is clear. And so we will, so this one information you have got it. And so we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, keep practicing and have fun.